it will be this next generation's moon landing.
Orion carries a lot of milestones, the biggest being the potential to carry the first humans to Mars. Much of that will depend on how the space capsule does during this unmanned test. During the flight, Littleton-based Lockheed Martin Space Systems and NASA will monitor more than a dozen critical systems as Orion travels past the International Space Station thousands of miles into space. Colorado workers built a critical part for that trip: the heat shield.
We're coming back at 20,000 miles per hour. The heat shield will see temperatures of about 4,000 degrees Fahrenheit. And that's twice as hot as lava.
It's a new type of heat shield, the largest of its kind ever built, and different from the ones used on space shuttles.
We grew up, our rocket was the space shuttle, but it's no longer flying. So this next generation that's going to Mars, this is going to be their rocket that they will follow.
But why Mars? Why do people need to go there? Those in the space industry say it's all about learning more about what Mars has in common with Earth.
Mars, believe it or not, is very similar to Earth in many aspects. At one time, many scientists believed that Mars was covered in oceans of water, just like Earth. And NASA's mantra is follow the water, because where there's water, there could be life.
And the ability to support life. The idea is that humans might be able to live on the red planet someday if there is a source of water on Mars. But the first step is just to get there, with a big push from scientists and engineers in Colorado.
Orion is eventually going to take astronauts to destinations we've never been before.